Yo, what is up guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Faris and in this video I will show you guys how to mirror your iPhone screen on your Windows PC for free. There are many paid options available in the market such as the one which costs around $10 for a yearly subscription, but I will tell you the best free non-paid software which lets you mirror your iPhone screen and also record it without any subscription. This will be a step-by-step guide, so make sure to watch it till the end for the method to work. So without wasting any time, let's get right into the video. So on your desktop, you have to open your web browser and head on to this URL, url.3u.com. I will also add this URL in the description so you can download it. Now on this website, we have to click here on this window link and it will start downloading 3U Tools Windows version. I have already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. After it finishes downloading, you will get this 3U tool program. Click on it. It will give you a pop-up to run it as admin. Click on yes and this window will appear. Click here on I agree and click on install. It will start installing the software for you. After the program is installed, click on launch and it will open 3U tools. And in the 3U tools, you have to head on this toolbox and click on this 3U Air Player. It will start downloading it. Wait for it to download. After it's done downloading, this window will appear. Click on read and agree and click on install and it will start installing. After it's installed, click on launch and it will open the 3U Air Player software. It might ask you to repair it. Click on repair. And you can screen mirror wirelessly if your PC is on the same wireless network, or you can connect it via USB for a much stable connection, and it will also charge your phone while it's mirroring. And the best part is it's completely free and there is no watermark and no limit. Now connect your iPhone via USB, click OK here and minimize 3U tools and click on wired connection. It might give you a prompt to install device drivers. Click on install. After it's installed, click on start mirroring. It will take some time and it will mirror your iPhone to your PC. And you can record the screen as well by clicking on the record button. As you can see, it's recording. Now if we stop it, it will ask us to go to the folder which is the default documents library. And as you guys can see that the recording is here. If you want to do streaming using this, you can also do that by using OBS. I also made a separate video on that. Link of the video is in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. This is Faris signing out and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.